Hey, Daniel, you're finally home.
Yeah, traffic was heavier than usual.
You look exhausted. Long day?
Pretty long, but manageable.
Want something to drink before you settle in?
That'd be great. Maybe a glass of cold water.
Sure. Give me a second.
Thanks. You're a lifesaver.
Here you go.
Appreciated.
Did he grab dinner outside, or are you hungry?
I didn't eat anything real, just a snack.
Then let's cook something simple.
Sounds good. What are you thinking?
Maybe pasta with a light sauce?
Perfect. Comfort food.
Can you help me in the kitchen?
Absolutely. What should I do?
Chop the veggies while I boil the pasta.
All right. Where's the cutting board?
Right behind you.
Found it.
How was work? Honestly.
Nonstop. Back-to-back meetings.
Any progress on your project?
Yes, actually. We're almost done.
That's great.
How was your day?
Calmer than usual.
Did you finish editing that proposal?
Almost. I'll wrap it up tomorrow.
You're really consistent.
I try.
These vegetables look really fresh.
Got them from the farmer's market this morning?
Nice choice.
Pass me the olive oil.
Here you go.
Thanks.
Should I mince the garlic too?
Yes, that would help.
How many cloves?
3 should be fine.
On it.
The sauce is starting to smell amazing.
Yeah, I noticed.
Lower the heat for a minute.
Done.
Perfect.
Want me to stir it?
Sure. Just keep it moving.
Got it.
Do you want chili flakes or keep it mild?
Mild tonight. I'm too tired for spice.
Fair enough.
How much longer until it's ready?
Around 10 minutes.
Great.
Did you check the email from your boss?
Not yet. I'll do it after dinner.
Good idea.
The pasta might be boiling over.
Let me check. Oh, you're right. Lowering the heat.
Crisis averted.
Thanks for noticing.
Anytime.
Can you taste the sauce and see if it needs salt?
Sure. Needs just a pinch more.
Adding it.
Perfect.
Okay, pasta's done. Draining it now.
Want me to hold the colander?
Yes, please.
Got it.
All right. Mix the sauce in slowly.
Like this?
Exactly.
It smells restaurant level good.
Thank you.
What about the cheese?
I'll grate some Parmesan.
Want me to help?
No, I'm good.
Okay.
Set the table while I finish this.
Plates, glasses, silverware?
Yes, and napkins too.
Done.
Here's the pasta.
Looks incredible.
Try it and tell me what you think.
This is amazing.
Glad you like it.
Like it. I love it.
You're sweet.
You deserve the credit.
Want some more?
Maybe after a minute.
Do you want iced tea?
Yes, please.
Lemon?
Absolutely.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Are you watching something tonight?
I was thinking about a movie.
What genre?
Maybe a comedy. I need something relaxing.
Good choice.
You pick the movie then.
All right.
Should we sit on the couch?
Yes, it's more comfortable.
Do we have popcorn?
Yes, in the top cabinet.
Perfect.
After dinner first.
Fine, fine.
You always rush.
I know.
It's funny, though.
Glad you think so.
How's your iced tea?
Really good.
Want more?
Not yet.
I'll clean the kitchen after this.
I'll help.
You cooked enough.
No, we did it together.
True.
I can handle the dishes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you.
Anytime.
What time is it?
Almost 7:30.
Perfect timing for a movie.
Yeah.
What snack do you want?
Popcorn, definitely.
Butter or plain?
Butter.
Got it.
I'll start it now.
Great.
The kitchen smells really nice.
Garlic does that magic.
True.
Are you done eating?
Yes, I'm full.
I'll pack the leftovers.
Good idea for tomorrow.
Exactly.
Need help packing?
No, it's quick.
Okay.
Can you bring the bowls to the sink?
Yep.
Thanks.
So, movie after this?
Yes.
I'll dim the lights.
Perfect.
Ready when you are.
Give me 1 minute.
Take your time.